Moto Razr 40 Ultra Glacier Blue color option unveiled in India with a 10,000 rupees discount. Back in July, Motorola launched the Razr 40 Ultra smartphone in the Indian market. At launch, the device was available in only two color options, Viva Magenta and Infinite Black. The brand has now added a new color option to the mix called Glacier Blue. In addition to that, the phone is currently selling at a massive discount on Amazon India. So if you are pondering the idea of getting yourself a smart flip phone this festive season, the Razr 40 Ultra could be an attractive option. Here are all the details. The new Glacier Blue, Viva Magenta, and Infinite Black colors are now available on Amazon India for 79,999 rupees, down from the usual 89,999 rupees. Plus, if you use ICICI Bank or J&K Bank cards, you can get an extra discount of up to 7,000 rupees. The Moto Razr 40 Ultra features a 6.79-inch main-POL display with FHD Plus resolution, a 165Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 1400 nits, supporting HDR10+. Additionally, it comes with a 3.6-inch cover display. The secondary display boasts a 144Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass 7 protection. The phone's hinge design allows it to fold flat seamlessly. In the camera department, it includes a 12-megapixels OIS-enabled main sensor, a 13-megapixels ultra-wide and macro lens at the rear, and a 32-megapixels front-facing shooter. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 Society, the device offers up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of onboard storage. Its 3800 mAh battery supports 30W fast charging. Running on Android 13 in a cleaner near-stock version, the phone is rated IP52 for splash resistance. Connectivity features include 5G support, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, a USB-C port, and NFC. If you are still uncertain whether you like the device or not and need more insight, you can read our detailed Moto Razr 40 Ultra review, which breaks down how the device performs in real-world scenarios.